We're talking about riots. It's been a year since the violent riots in northeast Delhi due to the anti-CAA protest took place. Now, though normalcy has been restored in the lives of the people in the area, but the images from last year still continues to haunt the locals. Let's take a look at how the lives of the people have changed over the last year. My colleague Piyush getting you all the details in the coming report.
But it's been a year since Delhi riots struck northeast part of the national capital.
Even after a year of the violent riots in the northeastern region of the national capital, normalcy has not been fully restored in the lives of the people living in the affected areas.
Though in the last 1 year, normalcy has returned, businesses have been restored, but still there are pictures who continue to haunt people of this area. We are right now going to show you the pictures of those buildings, those were attacked, those were set ablaze by the rioters. Right behind me you can see there's a house which was set ablaze, and remember we were here reporting last year and we had seen the situation, and still the pictures remain the same. People have left these houses, they have gone somewhere else, but still these are the leftovers of what actually happened last year at the same time on the same date.
This marriage hall was set ablaze by the rioters when preparations for a wedding was going on.
Petrol pump which was set on fire, it is still here, but the construction work is now going on. Though the normalcy has returned back, there are workers who are again constructing this. This new shed has been created, has been again erected by the company here of petrol pump company here. Though there are new machines, these machines have been set up here by the company. The normalcy has returned back, businesses have now restored. But the pictures from here somewhere tell us the story of what actually happened, because when we were here last year, we had seen as to how this petrol pump was set on fire.
The stories of the common people speak of violence, pain, and loss. A tea seller whose stall was set on fire by rioters has struggled through a year to get back on track.
3 बजे से चालू हुआ, यानी सुबह से ही चालू था, लेकिन थोड़ा ऐसा लगा 3 बजे से चालू हो गया पथराव एकदम। बहुत ज़्यादा ईंट पत्थर गोला बारूद सब लेके उस टाइम दुकान खुली थी। हमने शटर बंद किया, पीछे के रास्ते से हम निकले। मैंने बच्चों से कहा अरे बड़ी भीड़ लग रही है, बहुत उधर से फेंकते हुए आ रहे हैं पेट्रोल उट्रोल सब, चलो चलो जो पीछे के रास्ते से भागते हैं। हमारे परिवार यहीं पे रहते हैं, 4 बच्चे हैं, पीछे से लेके भागे, पीछे रास्ता है, समझे। मैंने देखा यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा पब्लिक हो गई, वो छत पे खूब तगड़ी भीड़ थी। मैं ऊपर ध्यान नहीं दिया, मैं तो इधर ध्यान दिया, देखा अरे ऊपर तो बहुत पब्लिक कहाँ से अचानक आई। फिर मैंने कहा चलो यहाँ से भागो, निकलो, यहाँ जान बचाना भारी पड़ जाएगा, नहीं तो अपना सामान पमान देख जाएगा।
Many lives were affected after the riots, among whom Mr. Javeer Singh, whose house was pelted with stones and the medical store was set on fire.
Not only his medical shop was attacked, but his house was also attacked, and also you can see still there are some pictures which tells us as to how the attack had taken place. Stones were pelted, bullets were fired, and these are the pictures of the evidence which is also telling us as to how the bullet was also fired. Also on the other side, when the bullet was fired, it had crossed this entire wooden wall, and the bullet had come out from this area.
Javeer Singh was thrown behind bars instead of taking action on the rioters who were responsible for the condition his house was in.
3:30 बजे के बाद इन्होंने अटैक कर दिया तीनों मकान पे, एक इस पे एक मेरे पर, पे तीनों मकानों पे अटैक करता। फिर किसी ने इनको बताया कि 2 मकान तो मुमडस के, इस पे क्यों अटैक करो। फिर 15-20 मिनट आधे घंटा रुक गई थी। हमने 4 कॉल करी जे पुलिस को, पुलिस नहीं आई। फिर मामला दब गया। फिर शाम को 7:30-8 बजे मैं अंदर बैठा, कहा मैं ताला लगा के, दुकान का ताला लगा के ऊपर बैठ गया था आराम से। 7:30 बजे मैं 2:30 बजे बंद कराया था। मैं तो 2:30 बजे दोनों ताले दुकान के बंद करके मैं तो ऊपर आके बैठ गया था। मैंने कहा कुछ होने वाला है इनकी पोजीशन देख के। फिर 7:30 बजे मैं तो अंदर बैठा खाना खा रहा था, तो मैं बाहर निकल गया था, हल्ला हो रहा था यहाँ। मैं 1 मिनट के लिए हम तीनों बाहर आए थे यहाँ पे काउंटर पर। इतने में गोली, मतलब पथराव और गोली चलनी स्टार्ट हो गई।
Despite all, the locals have tried to put a brave face and move on in life.
कुछ भी नहीं है, जो पहले हालात थे ऊपर वाले के रहमत करम से आज भी वही है। यहाँ पर भाईचारा पहले भी था, आज भी है। कुछ लोग जो दंगाइयों की शक्ल में आए, ना वो हिंदू थे ना मुसलमान थे सर। पहली बात तो ये है, वो आए करके चले गए। थोड़ा सा बस ये है कि खिंचा हुआ है, हल्का हल्का सा हुआ है खिंचा। मैं सोचता हूँ जाते में यार वो लोग मुझे टेली नजरों से ना देखें, वो सोचते हैं कुछ दिन बाद ये भी भाई जख्म बढ़ जाएंगे। बाकी ये जो हुआ वो गलत हुआ सर, क्योंकि जिसका गया है लाल, चाहे वो अंकित शर्मा हो, चाहे वो दिगर कोई भी हो, चाहे वो शाहरुख हो या आमिर हो, अंकित शर्मा हो, ललित जी, कोई भी हो, जिसका गया है उसके घर वालों से पूछो उसका लाल गया, क्योंकि उसका भाई गया, उसका बेटा गया, उसका आदमी गया, सब उसके दिल से पूछो। दंगाइयों की कोई शक्ल नहीं होती सर जी, ना वो हिंदू होता ना मुसलमान होता।
Moving on is a trait of humanity, but it's been a year since Dellrites struck northeast part of the national capital. Though people have come out of it, but the scars Dellrites have given on their minds will still take time to heal as they share their stories with us.
Bureau Report, Republic TV.